Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Devin Niemela if you are new here. Today we are going to be installing a carbon fiber exhaust shield or exhaust cover, exhaust guard, whatever you want to call it, on a 2005 STI. It'll be the same for, you could probably use this tutorial on any freaking car in the world if you want. This carbon shield is actually off of my 06 STI, the black one. I'll throw a picture on the screen right here if you guys do not remember that car. Dude that bought it wants me to put it on for him, so I'm waiting for him to show up today, and then we're gonna throw on that car. Little update on the FRS. Got the wing on a few days ago, and ever since then I have not touched this car. I stopped quite never mind, I did. I put my APR sticker on right there. I think it looks pretty sick. And then I have the Brom and APR because those are the two car sponsors for this build so far. One more thing is one of these rear tires is actually, I have two tire licks right now. One, this front one here, unfortunately, the tire's gonna have to come back off. The steel between the barrel and the lip is leaking, so I'm gonna have to fix that. It's a very, very small leak. I could probably get away with not fixing it. It's like 1 PSI over a week. And then one of these rear tires has a bubble in it. It's got a bubble in it and it's leaking as well. So I have a new tire that I have to throw on there. We need to make some space.
Dude, that thing's gorgeous.
Thank you, man.
The camera does not do it justice.
It really doesn't, dude. Like it looks a lot wider in person. That's for sure.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's been a long build, bro. How was the drive?
Oh, I loved it. It was good. It was a beautiful view.
Got your car all dirty? That's for sure. So this is the car we are putting the carbon shield on. So it just sits right over here, right above this exhaust. Is that N1 NVIDIA?
Yeah.
I love it. Looks so good.
Idaho Road.
Dude, seriously. So this is off of my 06 STI. And it's just gonna sit. Do you want to rivet on or?
Yeah.
Rivet it? Okay. Gonna sit just like that.
Do you have any water?
Yeah, let's clean this bumper up, dude. So what we're gonna be doing instead of screwing it on is riveting it on. Here. Let me find the same size I used.
Oh, dude, can I sit? You said the seat's comfortable.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, dude, he's like fucking dope. Oh my god.
Let's me fucking hug you. It like sits so damn low too.
I like it. I like sitting low though.
Bro, I feel like Brom's so underrated.
Honestly, I'm seeing Brom come up. I mean,
dude, I like these better than the Caros.
Really?
So the first thing we're gonna do, just set it up on here. Oh, dude, it's gonna cover that up perfectly.
Nice.
And kind of position it to where we want it. That'll get to you.
Same bumper design, yeah.
Okay, right up to the edge. And we're gonna drill a hole, and then after we get this first hole drilled, we're gonna rivet it on to hold it with that one hole so we can get the other 3 holes drilled. Trust me in drilling your bumper, bro. Yep, on for good now.
Dude, it's there. Never taking it off now, especially with white.
Dude, I took mine off my car, but you can never tell because it's black. Like holes in black bumper, you know? So the rivets we're using are 1/8 inch diameter, and this is an 1/8 inch drill as well. Dude, I need to get a custom plate for that car.
Oh yeah, you have to, dude.
You have any suggestions?
I forgot because it's like when people call you in, what's his license plate number? I forgot.
Oh, shit.
Dude, buys you an extra few seconds, man.
That is funny. Dude, this could have been your first YouTube video.
Dude, could have been.
Seriously, like that.
Yeah, I like it, dude. I think it looks sick. Bazoku pipes from Japan.
Okay, so we got the first rivet on, and now we just finish up, do the other 3, and we're done. Like, it's as easy as that,
Yeah.
bro.
Well, I figured. I kind of want an excuse to see the BRZ,
Yeah,
dude.
you could have taped it on too.
3M tape or
3M
something.
tape. I actually did that for a while. I wish I had a stock freaking card to work on again.
You had one. Now you're already. Just think about that, dude. The BRZ like 6 months ago, last summer, 7 months ago, was all stock. That's crazy.
Just like that, we're done. Easy money. What's your Instagram so they can follow you?
Chase.sti.
Good shit. Go follow this guy. He's got a super clean STI. And peep the new carbon fiber. I was about to pull out a diffuser. Start it up for them. Let's hear it. Hi, bro.
Alright, sounds good, man.
Drive safe, bro.
Have a good one. Thank
You
you.
too. Alright guys, the tools you're gonna need for this job, by the way, I use these rivets right here. Like I said earlier, 1/8 inch diameter, and rivet tool right here. And also, I use my drill. Damn, that thing sounds good. Can't beat the Subi Rumble. So a drill, DeWalt drill, and the drill bit size I was using was also a 1/8 inch. So I'll have all of these linked down in the description box below. And if you want to pick up that carbon fiber exhaust shield, I'll have that linked down below as well. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you go follow him, chase.sti on Instagram. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button right up in that corner. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.